So this was Kelly when she first came in to see us, okay? So as you can see, she wasn't very happy with the smile. She'd gone through a lot of long-term issues with the teeth. Obviously there were issues in terms of maintenance and looking after them, and you can see they were grossly decayed. The case effectively, when we started, was hopeless in the sense that none of these teeth were salvageable, okay? So Kelly first came in, she was extremely nervous and she'd gone through years and years of sort of neglect. She wasn't sure what she needed to have done or whether she wanted to have it done. She was far too uncomfortable to come to a surgery, and her phobia had sort of gone on for a very long time from your youth, really, hadn't it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so we had to obviously acclimatise her to the environment firstly, make her comfortable, and get her to trust us, and then to believe in what we could achieve for her. And we sat down and we had a lot of long discussions with you, and also your mum used to come in and give you a lot of moral support as well. We envisaged a plan to try and transform your smile and effectively transform your life with a brand new set of teeth. So what we did was we removed everything from the mouth. We started again from scratch. We had to reconstruct with implants and some bone grafting, tissue grafting, and get the gums and the tissue and the bone and the jaws back to exactly where we needed them to be. And then effectively she then had a fixed set of upper teeth and lower teeth, which were made from ceramic, and they fitted down to the implants, okay? So today we're going to do a big reveal. It's been a very long journey. We've gone through a lot of surgery over the past couple of years, but this is the moment that we wait for, okay? So that's great. And there we are. And this is Kelly today.
Wow, it's unbelievable, isn't it?
How's that?
Amazing. When I look at that and then I've got that.
You feel like a brand new person?
Yeah.
Yeah. And how's this journey been for you? Because it's been a very long emotional journey, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's been.
Yeah? Big life transformation.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's worth it.
If you were to try and just sum it up in just a few words and tell us how you feel a little bit and how it's changed your life.
I'm just so much more confident,
Yeah.
happy.
Mm-hmm.
It's just depressing living like that, wasn't
Yeah.
it?
Yeah. And that long journey, I mean, it's 2 years, a lot of surgery, a lot of costs, etc. But
You can't put price on that. I'd pay more.
yeah.
I'd pay twice as much again.
And what would you say to anybody else that was sort of thinking of going down the same journey as you?
I would just say go for it.
Yeah.
Why still? Well, you only live once, just go for it.
Mm-hmm. Wonderful.
No one wants to live like that.
No, absolutely.
So yeah.
There you are, brilliant smile, okay?
I love it.
Well,